Hello, it's Brandflix4547 again. Today I'm going to be microwaving, well, first of all, I wonder if I should microwave this. Today I will be microwaving a bar of soap. I know many of you have seen it on YouTube videos, but I've never seen it in real life, and I've been dying to try it out, so finally saved up for a microwave. So I'm going to microwave this. Okay, so I have gloves down there. Let's say 2 minutes. And start. Get my gloves on for safety, because safety is the most important thing. So right now, it's just spinning around. If you're wondering what that is right there, it is part of the CD that got left over. I have random CDs right here. I have Dora right here. So yeah, be sure to check it. Whoa, fell over. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Hold on. I can barely see it. I'm gonna film it. It's bursting up pretty much. It's like an explosion in slow motion. So, don't really smell anything. I would have thought that it smelled good, but okay. I'm gonna get my other glove on, so I'm gonna set this down. Zoom out a little so you can see. Okay, I'm gonna get my glove on and then start filming again. So, moral of the story, it just expands. Okay, I'm gonna turn her off. Let's see the damage. Hold on, I'm gonna let her go for a couple minutes. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Yes, this is really loud and it's annoying the crap out of me. I need to find a way to turn it off. So, see the damage. Wow. That's a lot. Hold on. I'm gonna let it harden for a little bit. Holy crap. If it wasn't so hot, I'd pick it up, but this is not so hard, but look at that. It's pretty much like, it smells good, so it still has the engraving on the bottom, the logo. So, freaking A. If you wanted a good air freshener, you can just set this in your microwave and let it microwave. So hold on, let me get my gloves on. Keep taking them on and off. I can't freaking make up my mind. Okay, so let's see. It hardens as you go, obviously. So let's try dropping it on the ground. Whoa, this is pretty hard actually. Didn't really do anything. Let's see what the inside looks like. Holy crap. Wow. It doesn't even smell that good anymore. But really, if you wanted a good air freshener, you could just put that stick of bar soap in your microwave, and there you go. You have a zoom out. There you go. You have a perfectly good air freshener. My dog. I'm gonna cut it in half. See what happens. Now another one drops. So stay tuned for more of I Wonder If I Should Microwave This episodes. And this is Brandflix4547 signing off. So this was a Brandflix production.